Hey, welcome back. I have a trade that just hit the tape today, and why it hit the tape was because we saw 10 times the normal call activity, and they were buying these calls, positioning for a move higher. And this is 10 times the normal expected. So that's why it hit my system. And this bet is $684,000, and I'm going to show you why it could go to 5 million in the next couple of weeks. So let's take a look here at ATUS. This is Altice USA. This is a company that provides, it's a cable provider. The interesting thing here, if you take a look here, is a none to borrow. Well, we'll just take a quick look at this chart here. So $38 has been where it's been knocking on. It's pulled back, and right here today is where we saw this bullish positioning come into the marketplace here. Now, the reason why I'm saying this bet that we're going to talk about here in a second, this $684,000 bet could go to 5 million, is because JP Morgan just came out, one of their analysts came out and put a price target of $62 on the stock. So fundamentally, this is an interesting stock, and this is sometimes the reason why following order flow, following the option activity can help find ideas and help position for possible longer-term opportunities. But what we're seeing here is back in the August timeframe here. So 39 days to expire, and they're coming in, and they came in and bought these 36 calls here. They came in and bought them about 90 cents, so this is up about 10 cents from where they purchased. And these are going to be opening positions. They opened, volume exceeds open interest. They were purchased. They were initiated by a buyer. These are new positions, and they're looking for this to go higher. So where that $5 million bet came into is if we go down here and look at the 27 strike, that's about $8. So if we get a massive move on this and something that happens relatively quickly here, if these go deep in the money, as we see here, and we add on another, goes up to $41, $42, that's where we can get that. It becomes all mostly intrinsic at that point. This extrinsic becomes intrinsic, and it becomes one for one for whatever, or one for one for the stock movement here. So those deep in the monies or those out of the monies can go in the money, and if that stock continues to go higher here. So this is a none to borrow, and this is interesting because I didn't really look at that until I hopped on here with you. But none to borrow means that there is nothing to borrow. So this could be a short squeeze play where this is one of those ones, the next short squeeze, where this could really pop. And this position here can go from $1 to $8 like that. So we'll keep an eye on this one. This is an interesting play, not only for the short term here, but something long term as well. So maybe not possibly playing the calls. You could look to sell some puts as well on here, buy call, sell puts. Now that's a different way, but here is where we find opportunities and then start to create a plan around that. So let me know what you think below. Give it a thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.